job. Mommy, has Vicky come back?
No, Mom. I've not seen her.
What about Ugo?
I haven't seen her either, Mom.
Babe, no, now. Stop doing like that. Now, stop. Okay, see, let me just call you on a video call, right?
Ebele, what is the meaning of that? Huh? I am here asking after your sisters. But you are here busy making noise on your phone in the name of chatting. Huh?
What have I done? I'm just chatting now.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Hi, Mama. You're here? Hi, everyone. Mama, calm down. Calm down, I'm fine.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Victoria, you've started drinking again.
I just said I'm fine, okay? Calm down. Are you guys okay? I'll be in my room. I'm fine. Don't worry.
Joy, how do you think your father will feel when he sees her like this? How is he going to feel?
Yeah.
My God!
Please,
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I'm sorry. Mother, sorry. Okay?
You're so sweet.
Sweet, baby.
Okay, baby.
Sweet.
I'll call you later, right?
That's what you're called.
All right.
Don't fail.
I won't fail you.
Wow.
My jiggy
My
boy.
angel.
My jiggy
My
boy.
angel.
Oh, sugar boy.
My angel.
Sugar boy. Is he not such a fine young man? Come on, say yes.
Yes, my precious.
Good. Bye, baby. Aww. I won't be dead. What's wrong?
Victoria, where are you coming from?
I went out with a friend. I'm sorry I didn't come back last night. I wanted to come, but you know, something came up and I had
Call your apology to yourself. So you're still going out with that idiot that just left here?
Come on.
Huh? To the extent of spending the night in his place.
Mom, calm down. He's not an idiot. I mean, you've not even had time to pop.
Just, are you mad? Are you mad?
Mom, you slept in presence of these guys?
I will slap you again because you deserve more than that. Stupid girl.
This is not fair. Oh. This is not fair. I'm old enough to make my own decisions.
Indeed. I can see how you're making the decisions for yourself. Stupid girl.
Hold on. Hold on. This gate is very expensive. Hold on. You follow chief by this.
Hey.
Nietzsche. You're welcome.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
We're Igwe's brothers. We came from the village. We want to see him. Is he around?
Yes, he's inside.
We want to see him.
Hold on. Narugaro. Hold on.
Okay.
I'm coming. Wait. Sit back, go inside. Just straight. Then you take your left. Don't bend though. Beware of police dog. No, this way. Don't tamper with the electric cable. No matter the thickness of your hair. Be careful. Good.
Tell me why you called me out here.
Calm down. Calm yourself down.
You caused it. Talk, I don't have time.
Did be calming down now?
I don't want to calm down. Where is the money?
I am Otman, aka Ekweme, aka Toknadu.
My baby.
Ah,
my baba.
That was
my baba.
Obomo. Hi, Limpopo.
My baby. Thank you so much.
My baba. Nearest compare.
My baba. My baba.
You know, I see. You know. I like the Bible. The Bible says, "Love your neighbor."
Uchenna.
Sister, good afternoon. Sister, good morning.
What is going on here?
We are just discussing about the Bible. You know, the Bible says, "Love your neighbor as you love yourself." So that
what are you discussing about?
Bible, Psalm 23.
Uchenna, you are very, very stupid. It is stupid. Don't allow me to get home before you. If I do, you know as it be now. Auntie, leave my brother alone. Do I make myself clear? Leave my brother alone. If he gets you pregnant, he will not marry you. Anofia, can you not before you keep
Don't mind that.
You were here when your sister was insulting me and you did not say a word.
Do you expect me to do anything? She's my elder sister. You want me to fight her on the road? Don't spoil her beautiful moments now.
She's your elder sister, Abi. Okay. Go and stay with your elder sister. Thank you so much. If I slap you. If I slap you.
Hey! That gate! Now my sister in Echo. That gate! Get it to what? Go! I lost yesterday. I want to lose today again. 2-0. Ndidi!
Your Majesty, time waits for no one. Besides, you are not getting any younger. We, the elders of this land, are no longer happy. And that is why we have decided to come and see you.
Your Majesty, you see, as a matter of fact, I don't have a saying that a teaching time saves 9. That's amen bangba, amen rodachi. In other words, kacho ewoji na efifie. Tupuchi ejie. Let us make hair while the sun still shines. Your Majesty, if this matter is left unattended, this kingdom is most likely to be thrown into chaos. Yes. Please. No. Your Majesty.
No.
Igwe.
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 I've heard both of you. It is true that I'm yet to have an heir to the throne. But marrying a second wife is going to be an issue to me. Your Majesty, let me remind you, you are doing this for your people.
Yes.
All you need is a woman who can bear you a male child.
Ekwusigo bụ Anambra ka ọ nọ. Ekwusigo.
I am not prepared to marry the second wife. Yes. Because I believe that my wife, Queen Elizabeth, is not too old to bear me a male child. I will wait for her. Your Majesty. No. I have made my point. Igwe.
Oya sungbalangma no dey waste time. Oya.
Bazooka.
Ude. You are a Malian princess.
Zazu.
You are a Malian
Zazu.
Ude Zuzu. Ude Zu. Hey. Ide. Oya. Ide.
Maga. I'm learning from the best, you know.
They know. This guy get with the entire.
Today,
they shock you a bit.
Today on this
Bros.
What? You are calling us bros. And if my name were Cosmos, you will call me Brocos, I'm sure.
Okay.
That is it.
No verse. Epa, Daddy, Uncle, what are you staring at? What are you looking at? What are you doing?
Don't mind them, old fools.
What? You called us fools?
Hey!
You not even happy say she add old. At least una don't old. You ring na respect now. Una calm down.
This is an insult. And I'm not going to take this.
Oh, no.
The Igwe must hear it.
Oh, no.
Huh?
Oh, no. Let's go.
Go where?
Let's go.
Go where? I am going in there to go and report to their father. You are saying let's go. Go where?
NTA reporter. I've been assisting to
you imagine?
reporter. Hey, go and report now. Like, does it look
I'm
like
going in there.
Look at you. What are you standing looking at? Follow him now. What are you waiting for?
Bros, they go now. They bow with your cheap sandals.
That thing, if
They
you
go.
point and reach my side there, I go forget say you be elder. Come on that red cap for your head.
Listen, me, you go. Go now. Bros, they go. See sandals.
See this people?
Yeah, set of human beings. Makes sense.
What you to your father? My new thing? Where are you going?
What kind of insult was that?
No, look at this. Yeah? I don't understand. See, go and call Igwe for us. He has to hear from us now.
Exactly.
Please,
My elders, please, I am sorry. Please, forgive them. I don't want my husband to hear about this. I'm going to caution them. I promise. Please.
What kind of children are they? Is that how they behave here?
Drinking and smoking in the palace. Hey, abomination. Abomination! We can't take that.
Please. Thank you. Please, my elders.
My queen, honestly, I'm not happy that Igwe will not hear this.
Yes.
Because I believe he's the only person that can caution those children.
Yes!
Can you imagine? Drinking and smoking in the palace.
In the palace! Hey!
Huh?
Please. Biko, my elders. Anyone, Biko. Please.
Hey, Lord, please, don't kneel down for us. Please, don't kneel down for us before you commit us before the Almighty Creator and before the gods of our land. Please, don't kneel for us.
That is for you to know how serious I want you to keep this away from my husband because of his health. Biko.
My queen, we are not trying to disobey you. I wanted Igwe to hear about this. You want to go?
Please, please, Biko. Biko, Biko.
Oh no. Let's go. Okay. Ghana.
Thank you.
Ghana. Let's go.
Thank you. Teach your man, Teach your man. Johnny, come on. Say Johnny, These children will not kill me.
Looking forward to gossip.
Hey, yeah.
Look at you. No wonder you smile like a smiler. You don't get sense, Abi. You carry sword like Harry Potter. Back like dog. I say knee down, fat tear you slap now. Knee down. Back like dog. Oh yeah. Back where? Harder. Back like dog. You dey crazy. Louder. Make it thicker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, squat, hold your ear. They jump. Be smiling, smile like a goat. They laugh. Okay, hem. Do meow.
What is the meaning of this?
Mother.
What has he done?
Mother. This idiot was busy insulting us. Can you imagine? This go for nothing boy.
Victoria!
Mother, he has been insulting us here. Watching us while we're having fun.
Get up. Pick your weapons and go back to your duty post.
Mother, why will you do that? He insulted us. You shouldn't have let him go. Now.
Keep quiet, both of you.
Mother, why will you let him go? He insulted us. He's not supposed to
keep quiet. Stupid girl.
You don't collect.
Are you insane?
Mother, you slapped me.
And I will remove your teeth if I hear him again from your mouth. Let me hear pim again from your mouth.
Just look at what they are doing in the palace. Ichie, let's go.
Nah.
No, stand there.
Make a real.
Stand there. See their cheap slippers.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
Sorry.
What is wrong with both of you? Don't you know they're the elders of our land? Huh? So it is true that you insulted and embarrassed them.
Hey! Mother, they lied to you. People that we are busy greeting good, they did not answer us. Did you talk to them? Why are they lying on our hand? Mother, they are lying on anything. No, we did not do anything. No, we did not do anything. We did not say anything to them. We were just happy having fun. No.
Hey! Ichekedi. I am here to believe that what I saw really happened.
Oh no, our Igwe is in trouble. Our Igwe is in trouble. The more reason we need to force him to remarry. Yes!
We are going to repeat our visit to this palace. You know why? I won't be alive and watch things get out of hand in this our land.
Oh no, there is need for us to tell Igwe what we saw in his house today.
Iked, that is why I said we are going to repeat our visit to the palace.
Hi. Oh no, I'm with you. I'm with you all the way.
For today.
All the way.
Let us go for today.
Kaiju.
We'll come back again. Let's go.
Oh no. Oh no.
There is no more respect in the palace.
No, Anikedi, we're right. But I still believe that the gods will answer my prayers through my wife Elizabeth. Come to think of it, is there really any hope of Elizabeth conceiving for me again? If not, then what becomes my throne after me? Oh, you see my job.
Daddy. I'm fine, Daddy. How are you?
Fine.
Are you okay?
I think I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I was about going to bed and I said I should come and say good night to you.
That was thoughtful of you.
Make sure to dream of me.
You know I always do that.
Mwah.
Yeah, may the gods protect you.
See.
Good night.
Thank you, Daddy.
She's my consolation. I wish she's a man.
But come inside now.
Man, stop touching me. Oh.
I will touch
like
you.
it.
Don't you know that you're
Stop
fresh?
now. Me,
Look at your body.
I don't like.
Very poco.
I say you should stop touching me. Oh. I don't
Yeah,
like
quite.
that.
Okay, can't get no. They could look at.
Okay, Fugo. No, no,
Igwe is coming. Igwe is coming.
You again.
Your Majesty.
Good afternoon, sir.
So what are you doing here again?
I came to sell abacha.
Yes, Igwe, she came to sell abacha to me, and her abacha is very, very sweet.
Keep quiet there, Akpan. Now listen to me. I don't want to see you in this compound again.
Okay, sir.
Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Wait. I have not said you shouldn't sell to him. But it must be done outside again.
Yes, sir.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now take your things and leave.
Kate. Inye small doors one. The fish. What do you?
Stay your own now. Stay your own now. Stay your own now. Leave me alone. What is it? Mama, what is it? Can you answer? Mama, I don't do anything. I don't do anything.
Or what I'm doing anything. Uchenna, any day you did not foment trouble in this house, Uchenna, Aram and Bugaro. What's your problem?
Mama,
Kate. Mama, Uchenna.
You cannot break my heart. You go free. Okay, because leave him. Now wait. Now wait, Steinego. That daddy girl. That one.
Kate, leave him. Oh my God. Kate, leave him. This boy. Kate, leave him. You will kill him.
Your Majesty.
Hello.
I hope you like that, Bacha.
Oh. So tasty. So sweet.
I know it. I knew you like it.
Where did you get it from?
I bought it.
You bought it?
Yes.
So where did you buy it?
There's this young lady that normally comes around to sell abacha here. So I used to buy it from her. I thought you would like it. So let me get some for you.
Honey, I like it.
I knew it.
Why not make inquiry about her? I'd like us to employ her so that anytime we need something delicious like this, she'll be there to prepare it for us.
Really?
Yeah.
No problem, I'll do just that.
That's my point. Wow, it's beautiful. Yeah.
Enjoy it, darling.
Thank you. Oh, my
Don't worry, it's all yours. I've taken mine.
Thank you.
I hope that you done well.
Yes, I do.
Huh?
Yes.
Are you sure you put Jara for this thing?
Give me money. I don't have your time, man. Give me money.
Let me check it first. Because you don't cheat me small.
Man, give me money now.
Come back here.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes, my queen.
Yes, my queen.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Come with me.
Huh?
Yes, follow me.
This weapon is taking her to. Hey.
Why is she not picking her call? she not picking her calls? She's not picking call. Her phone is just ringing. This is the 5th time I've called her today and she's not picking call. Where did she keep her phone that she's not picking call? Her phone is just ringing.
What is this? Hi. Hi.
Hi! Vicky, is she okay?
Hey.
What is this?
Hey.
What? Vicky! Oh my God. Oh my God. Mother.
Joy, your father must not hear about this. Am I understood?
Mother. Mother, what do you mean? Mother, this thing you're doing is not nice. It's not good. Father should hear about this so that he can caution her.
And I said no. Your father should not hear about this. Listen, if your father hears about this, I'm going to hold you responsible. I've told you, he should not hear about this.
Mother. Hey.
Hey.
Greetings, my queen.
Yes.
The king demands your presence. He said you should come immediately.
His Majesty wants to see me immediately.
Yes, my queen.
Okay, go.
Thank you, my queen.
His Majesty wants to see me immediately. I hope Joy has not told him about Vicky. Your Majesty, what is it?
Okay, Daddy.
What's the matter? You look worried.
I had a terrible dream this afternoon.
Dream? Yes. What about your dream?
I found myself dead in the dream. And the gods of Alliance appeared before me. They accused me of not leaving a successor. I've been thinking about it all day.
This is serious.
Yes. I think it's a warning. I need a male child. And I don't know how to achieve it.
Your Majesty, can I make a suggestion?
Go on.
Your Majesty, let me fake pregnancy and we adopt a male child.
No. I will not allow such abomination. The gods of our land will not be happy with me. I have to look for another solution.
Now, is that why your horn is sounding too loud? You're disturbing people now. Sorry, no verse. What do you want?
Open this gate for me.
Okay, I cannot open the gate. You tell me what you want.
Are you insane? I said, open this gate at once.
Okay, why are you shouting at me now? Why are you telling me am I insane? Do I look like a madman? I'm not mad now. Stop this now. Eh? This is not your father's house now. I better get out.
Are you insulting me? I should get out. I should get out. Open this gate. Open this gate at once. I said, open this gate. Open this gate.
Okay, if they took dagger for your knife now, you go begin cry. This is not your papa house. Why are you making noise now? Eh? You're disturbing the neighborhood. This is palace, man. Eh? Please stop that. It's not good, oh. Eh? Don't do that again, please. Please, we don't condone that kind of nuisance here. Biko, don't try it next time. I better get out.
I should get out. I should... Get out. A gate man said I should get out. Open this gate. I said, open this gate. Open this gate. A gate man said I should get out.
Does it mean someone came into this room?
Mom. Mother, it's very rude for you to come into my room without permission. That is intrusion on my privacy and
Are you mad?
Mom.
Huh? Mom, stupid girl.
Mom, my phone is ringing. Can I
pick it?
Yes, hello. What? Okay, you know what? I'm on my way, okay?
Victoria, where are you going to? Victoria!
It's important. I'll be back now.
Victoria!
No. Just a minute. Where's my key? Oh! I left it downstairs. My key.
Come back here! Clean your nose! Clean your nose before your father sees that stupid face of yours! Come on, clean it! Clean it very well! Get out!
Thank you.
What have I done to this girl? Why does she want to kill me before my time? Victoria! You are giving me trouble of 10 children! Just you!
Nne, go on now. When the queen took you inside, what happened? Why are you now?
Tell us what happened.
Let me cut the story short.
Omaka, cut it. William.
Igwe said they would like to employ me. Like to employ you? Where? They would like to employ me at the palace as the cook.
Ha!
Wait.
You mean the man wants to employ you at the palace as a cook?
Yes, Mama. Congratulations now.
Sister, you're not a palace cook. Ha! Sister, I'm going with you. Come on, now start here, fella, now arrange the dishes.
Won't you wait? The bone of contention is me. I refuse to. I'm not interested.
You did what?
I said I'm not interested.
Kate.
Kate, Cheroko. Na mama rapum biko.
How? Sister, why?
Are you okay?
Why?
As a cook in the palace. Akagaderia.
Mama.
What is your problem?
Sister, it what to go? Mama, what to go?
Also,
hi. Banana, it's not fair.
Kate.
Palace, you reject. Banana, no. Oh, one in me ya. Only at what to go?
Kate, so Kate, you mean you rejected such an offer from a king?
Sister, it what to go? Mama, what to go?
Kate, so
only advice, only what to go?
It's
not fair.
It's
not fair.
Have you seen me concerning our Igwe's matter?
No. As a matter of fact, I've been tied down by my wife's sickness. I'll see him tomorrow.
Ichie, are we not too relaxed? We need to go to the city so that our Igwe will know how serious we are on this matter.
Yes, we need to go. But we still have to plan it. We have to plan it.
Plan what? Ichie, there's nothing to plan. Let us start going from here now to Uno's house. Makana sina aneji if you were to be wuji. Makana chichi ama wutuke ebo odorisi yao.
Ilo, listen. You are sounding as if I am not bothered about this matter. As a matter of fact, this issue gives me sleepless nights. Yes.
Ichie, let me ask you one question now. Do you know that if anything happens to our king, me and you, we have to share the blames. Let Igwe marry the second wife. That will give him an heir to the throne.
You are right. But let us see Ono tomorrow. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow.
No. Let us from here now go to Ono's house because the delay is dangerous. Ichie.
I told you my wife has been sick. Listen, as a matter of fact, I am rushing to Afo to see the Biakreka. Yes, he needs to come and attend to my wife right now. That is where I'm going to. So tomorrow we'll see.
Ichie! Huh? Ichie, like I said, delay is dangerous.
My daughter, what is the problem?
Mama, the ego is still insisting that I take up this job. Eh?
Is that what is bothering you?
Mama, I don't want to leave my business.
Kate, did I hear you say your business? Which is better? Serving in the palace or going round the community under the hot sun in the name of your business, Kate?
Hey, this sun you are talking about, Ogi ka anwụ anacha. Ogi ka anwụ na-acha. You are bent on forcing me to take up this job. No problem. Nsogbu adịrọ. Palace.
Why is she behaving like this? Eh? Let her take up the job. I believe that one is better. God might remember us through this job. Eh? Hey!
Kate! Kate!
With the king.
What? Akman went out with the king and left you the driver. Where did they go to?
You don't tell me where they're going to.
You don't know where they went to?
You don't tell me where they went to.
I don't understand. Yeah? How can the king live with Akman, the gate man, and left his driver behind? What is going on? What is happening?
Your Majesty, please can I say something?
Do not say a word. Just do what I told you. Is that clear?
Yes, my king.
Remember, you just swore to an oath. Is that understood?
Okay, Your Majesty.
So let's go.
In the palace, troubles everywhere, arrogancy in the palace. Oh, Alamaju, Onyeka no chiki, Igwe Sanuwo. There is no more respect in the palace.
Come in.
Your Majesty.
My queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I learned you went out with the gate man.
Oh, yes.
Oh. Why the gate man instead of your driver?
You took me somewhere.
Somewhere?
Oh, yes. Onowo called me and said he'll be coming with some elders from our community tomorrow.
Okay. I can see you don't want to tell me where you went to with the gate man.
My queen, okay, I'll talk about it later, okay? Can you get me coffee?
Sure. Your Majesty.
Listen, you are always fond of saying this, and you know I don't like it.
What do you not like? Are you serious right now? Are you serious? No, wait, let me ask you. Did you give me the money I asked you for?
I can't remember telling you I will not give you that money.
You know what? Forget about it. Just forget. I know you're busy chasing girls around, and that's why you're so busy to even have my time, but it's fine. Don't worry.
Listen, Sin, I can't have you stand here with me and talk like this. Let's go inside.
I'm going nowhere with you.
These are the things you do I don't like about you. You always want to throw something.
Who is this and what is going on here?
And what is that supposed to mean? What do you mean by what? Who is this? I don't understand. Who are you?
Auntie, quiet. I know they talk to you.
I asked... Tony, keep short. I asked the question. Who is this plant standing beside you? Oh, I get it now. She's one of your side chicks, I guess.
Who be this animal?
No, who be this idiot? Tony, you stand there. They call me side chick, baboon. You will not get sense. You can't say anything about it. Abi? Oh, you don't have to tell her to calm down. Calm down for what? Babe, you're a side chick. And that is on period. Side chick. A very desperate one at that.
Okay, auntie side chick. Don't worry. Let me show you how side chicks react.
Hold on. Let me show you how side chick used to be. What don't you like?
Yeah,
don't even try.
No, stop this. Stop this. No, stop this. Stop this. Listen, I don't like this. Listen, I don't like this. I'm good at it. I don't like this. Stop this. Stop it. Jesus Christ. Listen, stop this.
Atulari. So the thing when they talk now, you know here. Are you for us or against us?
I don't always the difference. I don't understand.
Mom, we have no right to stop Dad from making any decision.
I want the always can you imagine? Different.
Yes, he is the king, and he has every right to his decisions.
You be good too.
What his decisions?
You know, say this life, you're not supposed to come as human being. Now mistake. Are you normal? He has every right to do what?
His decisions.
Girls, please. I don't need this fight. I am worried here. I'm in a hot seat. I need solution, not fight.
Mother, calm down, it's okay.
Joy.
Mom?
In a nutshell, what are you trying to say?
Mom, I'm just saying that we can't force Dad. We can only beg and plead with him to please not to listen to the elders.
We just beg him. Hare Krishna. Pragya. You think we are doing easy word here, Abi? Eh? You will just be bending neck and be talking, you will be talking nonsense.
You see that's not going back. You don't enter well.
Calm down. Calm down. I'm in a situation here. I'm in a hot seat.
Mama, sorry.